Yesterday we checked why your person had gone silent, and today we will be checking whether they will reach out to you. So, first deck that I'm using is the emotional card deck. So, we will try to see what their emotional state is right now. Hello, and welcome to my channel. What is your person's emotional state at this point in time? I will be pulling only one card from this deck. It says loneliness. So they are feeling very lonely at present. And this loneliness is helping them re examine the way that they interacted with you, about what happened between you, what was said and done. So, in this alone time, they are reflecting on everything about that, about the situation that made them go silent. So, it is a good thing that they are self exploring what's going on in their life, in the relationship. Let's check what heart's hidden secrets have to say. They are feeling lonely without you. That's 4 cards, I think. Yeah. So the first card is chemistry, spying, then we have family, and lusting. So right now they are feeling very lonely and thinking about you, thinking about the great chemistry that you share when you are together. And they could be stalking you on social media, trying to see what you are up to. Maybe they have a fear that you might have connected with someone else. So they are keeping an eye on you through social media. And they are thinking about having a family with you. So they are starting to think about long term, moving forward in this relationship. And they are also thinking about the past moments that you spent together, when you had a great sexual chemistry. So they are thinking about you a lot and trying to gain a better perspective of how they should move forward. So you are on their mind. Even if they are silent right now, you are on their mind. Let's see a time frame. What do the time cards say? When will they reach out? Okay, before I check the time cards, I'll just see what the bottom of the deck was. The bottom was past life. So they feel that this is a past life connection with you, and in this alone time that they have, They are starting to understand the patterns that they might have repeated in every relationship, and they are starting to understand that it was a karmic lesson that they had to go through. So let's see what the time card says. It's not too late. Allow things to come. On a holiday. Okay, so we are not getting a specific time period for this about when they will reach out. But the connection seems to be really good, and you just have to wait it out. Divine timing is at work here. It's not too late, and allow things to come, allow things to unfold as they are supposed to. I'll check one more card. Okay, so it says in spring. So that's pretty soon. So they will reach out to you very soon, and then you can talk things out. And in the meantime, just keep a positive mind, keep an open mind. Your person will be coming towards you. So I will pull out one affirmation card from this for you. They are thinking about you, they want to be with you. Okay. This is your affirmation. My true safety lies in my capacity to align with the love of the universe. Trust the universe, trust in divine timing, and know that they will reach out pretty soon. So in the meantime, just stay positive and trust the universe. There is a very strong possibility that things will work out between both of you. So that was your message for today, and subscribe to my channel for the daily guidance videos that I post every morning, and press the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of that. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.